Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, it's been a pretty boring day again. It actually started somewhat promising. You might remember from my first video that I highlighted that, hey, maybe gold has actually, not gold, I just made a gold video, still in the gold mode. No, Bitcoin has maybe made a low when it hit the golden ratio level here, at least. And I only will, again, talk about the shorter time frame. Maybe tomorrow we get a little bit more action, so it's worth covering the larger time frame again. But in the interest of time, I just want to keep it to the most important stuff. So we have obviously still the bullish count on the chart. That's the yellow one, in which the market could have formed a low in a wave 2 on the 3rd of February. That was the sell-off day last week. Actually, it was the Sunday, from Sunday to Monday, and then Monday was actually a recovery day, you could say. And then we had a potential 5-wave move up from there. Questionable 5 waves, but valid, and the move down looks complex as a so-called W, X, Y structure. And the wave W was an ABC, the wave X as well, and the actually the wave X might be an X wave. Sorry, WXY itself. But we don't want to make it too complicated, so it's a 3-wave move anyway. Don't want to get too academic here, but just to have it formally correct, it should be a WXY, because this move looks like a 3-wave move. And then ABC. So it's overall giving me 3 waves to complete a potential correction, which means the minimum requirements for this correction are fulfilled. The way Bitcoin often forms lows is by breaking briefly below support and then reversing quite quickly. But so far the reversal is not convincing. We have not broken out of the price channel yet. So the price is still caught in this corrective, in this blue corrective price channel. Price reacted actually today exactly to the upper boundary line of the trend channel. That's also located here at the 123.6 extension at 98,295. So we only have basically, yes, we have a potential, let's say, typical, bottoming behavior. That's what Bitcoin likes to do normally, exactly that. Just described, like breaking below support briefly, then recovering, but then often it just goes, okay? And that hasn't happened yet. We are moving up from that low, where Bitcoin formed or showed potential bottoming behavior. We have only a 3-wave move up. That's not clearly bullish, and it didn't even reach the 138% extension in the 3rd wave. Now that is not an absolute must, but it would be ideal, and I certainly wouldn't trust it if the price couldn't get to that 138% extension at 98,640. Okay, so what have we seen from then, from that swing high? Well, a pullback of sorts, which doesn't really give us much structure, but certainly it started from a weird spot, a little bit too low to be clearly a viable 3rd wave. And unfortunately, it was just a test of resistance. Remember this resistance area in red. And it was a test of the boundary line from below, ultimately confirming that we're still range bound. Now, what do I need to see to really confirm we're moving higher and to, let's say, have a first, confirmed upside reversal pattern, not just potential behavior? Well, we need to see the price form a 5-wave move up, as highlighted here in yellow. And it's typically minimally the 161.8 extension, which is in this case located at $99,220. That would need to be reached in a 5th wave. To call it really a solid 5-wave move, I want to see 5 waves that reach $99,220 plus. Okay, so that means at the moment with only a 3-wave move up, I'm certainly not impressed. What we will do now, I will reduce the size of the larger support box and add micro support for an internal 4th wave, assuming this might really turn into a 5-wave move up. Right. So if this is supposed to turn into a 5-wave move, the 4th wave internally should hold the 61.8 retracement. That's just based on the idea that this move up could be a diagonal pattern, and it should hold 96,477. Any break below that level will most likely lead to another low, and then we can watch the lower support at 93,630. And also, any break below 96,477, so below upper micro support, will increase the risk that the white count is playing out. White scenario, as a reminder, is the short-term bearish one, which could send us to the mid 80k region. But that would need to be confirmed further, especially if there is a break below support. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Unfortunately, not much more new stuff to talk about. I'm sorry, but I still hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, check out our new channel, MCO Global. Thanks all for your support already on this channel. You know, the community is great, lots of positive feedback there. So we cover here topics about cryptocurrencies, but also other asset classes. We talk about geopolitical events. We talk about, for example, the gold market, crypto stocks, the crypto market, Bitcoin, the NASDAQ strategy, or formerly MicroStrategy. You know, all of these videos have already been done. They are videos that are, not going to expire quickly, so they are going to be relevant for a while. That was my intention on this channel. So check it out if you're interested. Link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.